Right across over the bow here, guys. Best gray whales ever. Right under the boat, guys. They're coming up underneath the boat. And this big one has got to be the female, this darker, the lighter colored one. 40-foot whale is going to weigh somewhere around 80 tons. These are not small animals by any means.
Oh my goodness. Cover your children's eyes.
Don't look, kids. Don't look. Nothing's going on there. Two gray whales in love right here. You don't get this very often, and now they're in love with that sailboat again.
Wow, is he close?
I've only seen this one other time.
Whoa.
20 years. 30
Yeah,
years.
look at how it's like, oh no.
One other time like this.
They're going right over here. Look at this.
Look at, oh, whoa. Oh my gosh. I want to be on that sailboat. That's incredible. No.
Guys, I've never seen anything like this here. You guys that have been doing this longer than me have never seen anything like this. Look at they're coming up on this side now. Upside down at that. You guys like that?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Yes, that's what you think it is. There's a male and a female. The lighter colored one we believe is the female, the larger of the two. And what you think you're seeing is what you are seeing.
Heading right towards us, guys.
Coming right up to you guys in the front now. Equal opportunity whales here. Male's underneath the female right now.
Rain blow!
Oh my goodness.
Diving underneath the boat.
That's the male right there. Coming up on the left here in a second.
Going right underneath the trampolines, guys. They're going to come up on the left side.
Coming up. They're right under this guy in the brown jacket.
There's the fluke of the other one.
No, they're staying underneath the hull.